Hello everyone and welcome to OpenBI. I am Rima here. In this video, I am going to show you a medicine dashboard created using OpenBI, data collected from ema.europa.eu. You can download data from there. The link is provided in the description. This dashboard is available on the marketplace. You can download from there. If you wish how to download the dashboard, the link is provided in the description. After logging in the OpenBI, click on the hamburger menu and select the dashboard. You can see the list of available dashboard. Select the European Medicine Agency dashboard and open it. Now I am going to show you the detail of a dashboard. European Medicine Agency. This agency aims to have access to high quality, safe and effective medicine for all their health and providing reliable information to patient and healthcare professionals. In this tab, we can see overview of a dashboard and two buttons, medicine and detailed data. It will redirect you on appropriate tab. Click on the medicine. There are total 2 KPI, key performance indicator and 5 widgets. There are total 14 medicine and total 11 medicine company. Medicine by company name. It gives information about the medicine company name, medicine name, disease, which disease it used for. Medicine opinion status. It is for medicine opinion status 50% of positive opinion, 1.40% withdraw application and 42.86% withdrawn opinion. Medicine published year. It indicates that on which year the medicine was published, like 2015, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. This is cure by medicine. This table widget is giving information about the name of a medicine, disease and its usage, like diabetes, HIV agents, medicine generic name by active substance. This widget indicates the generic name of medicine with their active substance. Like when you click on the insulin, its active substance is insulin human and insulin human RDNN 50%. Click on the clear filter. Here you can see the active substance name. There are total 4 filters used in medicine tab. Medicine filter, it displays list of medicine, company name, it displays list of company name, disease and year. If you want to see particular medicine information, so click on that. I am clicking on Alivia. So it displays list of all the information of Alivia. Its company name, opinion status, positive opinion 100%, published year in 2020. It is used for HIV infection and its generic name. Clear filter. Now go to the detailed data. In detailed data, there are 4 filters like medicine, company name, disease and year. In detailed data, it will give all the medicine information in details like name of medicine, disease, generic name, active substance, opinion number, opinion status, procedure number, active substance, company name, usage, date of opinion, date of outcome, first published and URL. If you want to see particular company name information, so click on that. Here I am clicking on Novo. So it gives all the information about it. It is insulated, it is diabetes medicine, its generic name is insulin human, its status, procedure number, all this information. You can also create and schedule the report. Click on clear filter. In Hamburg menu, go to the document section. In that, click on the report. In report, I already create the bird report. You can create bird report using bird tool. And here you can also schedule this report. So for that, click on that European Medicine Agency. Go to the schedule. There are three types of frequency: right now, once, and recurring. So I'm selecting right now. Click on run. You can see the output of European Medicine Agency report. That's all about European Medicine Agency dashboard and report. Thank you for watching this video.